Hello all. I came across a situation where I was thinking if I have to find some information inside a file, it's quite easy in an Excel. I do a control F and I'm able to find it. But what if I have to find a similar information across multiple files? It's quite challenging and a very daunting task. Imagine that I'm having hundreds of files where I need to find this particular information whether it is present or not. So I'm just taking an example of the line manager being present as a level 1 escalation or not. How do I find out? The best way was to code through Python. So I took the help of Gemini today and I was able to code this and I'm able to exactly find in which Excel, which sheet, whether the information that I am looking for called the line manager is found or not and in which cell. So this is absolutely brilliant the way in which it works. So I just execute it and there it goes. I am asked to fi paste the folder, and there it goes. I'm able to see all this information. Now if I go back and see, I'm able to exactly find that in file A, I'm able to see in sheet 3, file B in sheet 2, file C in sheet 2, file D in both sheet 1 and sheet 2, file E in both sheet 1 and sheet 2. But whether the information is found exactly or not is in this column which says true, true or false, false, which means that in sheet A, sorry, in Excel A in sheet 3 it is found, XLB sheet 2 it is found, whereas in Excel C the line manager is found but the escalation is not exactly matching, so it's a false. Thank you.